Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time on here, you're super welcome. Don't forget to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification and select all. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. On here, I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Nigerian hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion enthusiast based in Lagos. And on this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So guys, in today's video, by the title, you guys know that I'll be trying the 5-minute makeup challenge. Hey, oh my god, I don't know exactly how I feel. Okay, I'm a makeup artist, yes, but doing my makeup in 5 minutes. Hey, I don't know how to feel about it. I don't want to be too confident because I can do makeup, so I should be able to. I see, well, I would have said I'm expecting nothing, but I like to be optimistic, right? So I want to believe that by the end of this video, I'll be proud with what I've done. And you people will be proud of me with what I've done, okay? Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So you guys, just so that I am making wise use of every second that I have, I've gone ahead to clip my hair out of the way because this is not even the time, sis. This is not the time for hair, okay? So I've gone ahead to bring out all of my products, my foundation, my concealer, setting powders, my pencils are already open and are all here on my table. I have my powder palette already open. Everything is just open here and waiting to be used. You guys wish me luck. Okay, so I have my timer all set to 5 minutes and I'm just going to start it now. Okay, it started. My god. I don't know if it's a good idea to use what's it called? A full coverage foundation. I hope it blends fast for me. This time is running now. 4:26 minutes left. Foundation is looking so light on camera, but it's not as light as that in person. I would not have used this Huda Beauty foundation. Like, it's too thick and it's difficult. It's a bit hard to blend. Oh my god. 3:55 minutes left. Ooh. Ooh. My god. Wow. I need the fan. I'm sweating. Wow. 3 minutes. 32 minutes left. This thing is not blending well. Oh my god, I don't know why it looks so light on camera. Oh my god. Wow. 2 minutes almost gone already. Jeez. Do I want to conceal though? Wow. Oh my god, I can't see. Wow, this is way more difficult than I thought. Wow, man. And I really like to get things really blended. Wow. Ah, 2:08 minutes left. Oh my god. Wow, this is crazy. Let me stick on my lashes. I hope I'm able to. 1:55 minutes left. Sorry, you guys. I have to try to stick on these lashes. Wow, 1:31 minutes left. Crazy. Oh my god. Lashes is going to fall my hand though. I should have skipped lashes though. Oh, I should have skipped lashes though. Whoa! My god! Jesus Christ! I should have skipped lashes. Whoa, 51 minutes. Oh my god, lip gloss, 38 minutes. Oh my god. 38 seconds, I mean. 28 seconds. Ah, 19 seconds. Oh my god, this lashes is crazy. Oh my god. 6 seconds. What can I do with 6 seconds? Absolutely nothing. Oh my god. 5 minutes. Jeez. Wow. Wow. Ma, I don't even know how to feel like oh my god, I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words, really. Like, I know that lashes helped save my life and, you know, like make the makeup look a bit, you know, a bit put together, but 5 minutes has gone now. Jeez. What do you guys think? I couldn't do my brows because I mean, you know, just comb it up, you know. Look at the brushes I brought out to use. I used not even one. See. You guys are lost for word. Honestly, I don't know what to say. Well, if you guys have seen the video of my top 2 must-have makeup products, you see that it's the same thing I still did here. Like, if not for the foundation and the concealer and the powder, you know, I still put my lashes, I still put my lip gloss. I didn't even draw my brows. I didn't, you know. Let me brush my hair down and see if it's going to help me look like a baby girl that I am. But oh my god, my lashes are, they are there, but I mean, they can be better. Of course they can be better. If I had some more 2 minutes or something, I would have gone ahead to, you know, highlights, contour, blush. I'm sure there's no time for that, but these people that I see on YouTube that conceal and do foundation, do concealers. Okay, well, my own foundation was the Huda Beauty. I used the Huda Beauty, and this foundation is a full coverage foundation. It was a bit hard to blend. It required a lot of time to blend. So yeah, I think that was one of the things that wasted my time. So concealing was not that difficult. It was just the foundation, and I don't know why it's looking so white on camera. It's looking good in person. Anyways, you guys, this is a very short video. It's not bad really, because I mean I can step out like this in my clean girl makeup look, soft simple makeup look, everyday makeup look, kind of look, this would be a pass for it. Okay, I can go to church like this, I can go for meetings like this, I can go on a date like this. I mean anyways, you guys, this is what I was able to come up with the shortest of time. I never knew 5 minutes could be a very short period of time, but yeah, so what I was able to come up with. I did my foundation, I did a bit of concealing. I was not able to contour at all, not even my nose. I could not contour my nose at all. I just went ahead to stick on my lashes, which I feel like I would have done better with, but this particular eye, I don't know what is this side of the face, like side of the eye. I mean, it's kind of difficult to, you know, fix lashes sometimes. But yeah, this is what I came up with. What do you guys think? Did you think I modded it? Do you think I modded this look? Do you think I tried? 5 minutes is not, it's not plenty, honestly. I just realized now that 5 minutes is not a lot of time. You guys, what do you think? Do you think I tried? Let me know in the comment section. That'll be all for this tutorial. I'm not even going to do an outro because I mean thank you for watching. If you find this video a bit funny or a bit interesting, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me suggestions, leave me comments in the comment section below. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me, what videos you'd like me to put out. And yeah, I'm sweating already. Wow. Be sure to do all of the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Ciao.